Get the environmental friendly flat roof solution you've been searching for with a 100% waterproof coating from A+ Sustainable Coatings. Replace your faded or leaking roof with our Energy Star recommended no tear away, no tear off silicone coating process that ensures no unnecessary landfill while reducing UV damage and energy usage up to 30% annually. Stop replacing your roof every 5 to 10 years when we can waterproof it for 50. It's the last flat roof you'll ever need and guarantees waterproof restoration for all flat roof types with the only solution durable enough to withstand bird pecking, hail damage, leaks, and ponding water for 50 years. Schedule a walkthrough today of our A+ rated Angies List and HomeAdvisor projects recently completed in your area. Or visit our Facebook page for first-hand reviews and aerial footage of our 5-star rated process. Call or visit our website today to learn more about silicone roof coating or to schedule a free, no-hassle, no-obligation estimate. Get the peace of mind you deserve by protecting your roof and the environment with a solution from A+ Sustainable Coatings. The last flat roof you'll ever need.